Today's podcast is brought to you by Quantrix Modeler Introductory Training, teaching the fundamental foundation that you need to become a Quantrix master. Go to gumroad.com/l/Quantrix training to learn more. Hey, welcome back to another netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 165, Multi-Dimensional Matrix with DataLink, Column Hover, Reveal Source. I started using Quantrix 2.9, and I think back in the day when I started seeing data links, I always thought, man, wouldn't it be great if you could hover on one of these columns and you could find out what the data source is? Well, the other day at my day job, I'm helping one of my colleagues. We're building an awesome Quantrix model, and lo and behold, we have a multi-dimensional matrix with a data link, and we're messing around with the data in there. And we go ahead and we are just hovering, as I'm hovering here, and a message box or a tooltip rather appears, and it tells me that this is an import column, and it tells me the column name on the import. And I was just as happy as could be. I was full of glee because finally now I know on my data links what columns are coming in from the data link. Furthermore, if I were to rename this to something, say available, again, the name available is shown up here in the title, but you can see on my tooltip that indeed it's actually my import column is IC quantity available. So I don't know when the Quantrix masters snuck in this improved functionality with data links, but you know, kudos to them. I'll give them some points for that. For my Russian followers, I will say that they are молодец, and they are a little bit хитрый in what they did in sneaking this in with, I'm not sure what release it came out with, but props to them. And I encourage you to use some data links with some multi-dimensional, in a multi-dimensional matrix, and then hover and look for the tooltip to be revealed, because this is a great improvement, in my opinion, in the functionality of Quantrix. I love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So if you have any questions about Quantrix, I want you to know that you can reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com, and you can ask me those questions. I will try to answer your questions here on a podcast, and I want you to know that it is free. I'm not going to charge you for that. So feel free to ask away. Of course, follow me on Twitter, and join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.